Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I haven't filmed a YouTube video in about a month and I'm really sorry about that, but I was doing Vlogmas and then I didn't really do anything. So there wasn't any point in me filming because I wasn't doing anything. But now I'm back. I've got a new camera. I have the Canon EOS 800D and it's so much better than the other camera. Like, it's got autofocus, I can see because it's got a viewfinder, and it's just gonna make life so much easier because the quality is better. But the only problem is I need to stop looking at myself in the viewfinder and look at the lens. Finished Gossip Girl for like the 5th time, so I'm rewatching Friends again because I go to New York. Yeah, also I really don't know what this video is. This is just kind of like a chatty update video. Yeah, I go to New York in 23 days, 2 hours and 30 minutes. What? That's when I'm going to be going to school. So basically I go to school, we'll meet in the bus park, the coach will come, pick us up at 10:15 or 10:30 and then drive to London Heathrow from Cornwall. So that's going to take the longest time ever. But then we were going to get on the plane, obviously. I think our flight is at like 11 in the morning. I'm going to be vlogging it. I'm going to be doing like a travel diary kind of montage thing. So yeah, look out for my New York vlogs because the content is going to be so much better. I'm looking forward to it. And then I also go back to New York in April because I'm going there with my family. Well, my mum, my gran, my sister. We're going there in April half term. So I missed the last day of school, I think, but I was like, whatever, I do not care. And then we go to Florida for 6 days and then 4 days in New York. I'm just so excited. I am so excited, like genuinely cannot wait. So also 5 Seconds of Summer randomly dropped a live Meet You There album and it's kind of getting me through sixth form at the moment because, you know, your gal loves 5 Sauce. I don't care how many people say, ew, you like 5 Seconds of Summer. I don't even know what this video is. This video is an actual mess. Like, I look a state right now. Like, I've got nothing on my face. My hair is in a bun. I'm wearing this hoodie, which is like, it's just so big for me. Like, I love it. It was my cousin's, but it's so big. I mean, to be fair, I'm wearing these. You can't see that's the wrong leg. I'm wearing these trousers from Primark and oh my god, you can't get my leg up that far. It's got checkered and I'm absolutely obsessed. Oh, there's a fly. What I was gonna say is I'm obsessed with checkered things, like black and white checkered. That's like my aesthetic at the moment. Sixth form is going well. I seem to be the only one genuinely enjoying it at the moment. Like, most people don't have the motivation, like they can't be bothered, or they're just not enjoying it, whether that's just sixth form in general or their courses. I'm kind of liking it. I like my courses, I like my teachers, apart from my photography teacher, because no one likes him. And yeah, like, I'm getting on with my classes. I don't do AS exams, so we don't really have practice. We've got mocks, but they're the end of the year, so June, July time. But we haven't got told anything about it. I think I'll probably do like a mock results video or like an end of year, something like that. Because I know people on Instagram are interested in knowing kind of how I'm getting on with my courses and telling you guys a bit more about the courses if you're going to take psychology or photography or media. I've had a couple of people message me about them, so yeah. So yeah, anyway, my grades. What are my grades? Yeah, so last photography lesson I got my grades back for my photography boards. So I did a landscapes board and I did a contextual board. If I've got pictures I will leave them on the screen, but I got 2 A's in them and I'm very happy with that, because I think for my portraiture board I think I got a C, but because both of these projects were with film and I'm not the biggest fan of film photography, like digital is much more my thing, like I know what I'm doing with digital. So yeah, I got 2 A's in my photography boards, which I was very happy with, because I didn't think I'd get that, to be fair, because my teacher doesn't seem to be getting on with my photography at the moment. So yeah, I was very happy with that. It was one of his favourite boards for the contextual one, so I was like, oh, very happy with that. And then the other one was also an A for my landscapes, and I did really enjoy that because that's when I went to Exeter with my gran and took some photos, and that was really good because I was very proud of those photos. So again, very happy with that. And then in media, I think I'm currently a B in media because I got a B in my test, I think, because we did a test in media on the CSPs that we've been learning, and I think I got a B in that, but I was a bit unsure on some of them, so I was kind of expecting that, but I'm fine with that because I got an A in one of my other assignments and I got a B in the other one, so I'm on track. And then in psychology I'm a C. I've always got C's in all of my past papers and just general tests, I believe. But I'm fine with that because psychology, I do enjoy psychology, but it's not something I need. Like, if I scrape a C next year, I'm not going to complain. I'm hoping to get a C with psychology, especially with the content. Like, the content is so heavy, like there is so much content. My teacher told me on parents' evening that we finished all of the content 3 weeks before the exam, and I'm like, what? So if I can keep a C up throughout the 2 years, I will be very happy with myself, because it's already starting to get hard and we've literally just entered the 5th month. So yeah, I'm happy with that. And EPQ, like, you don't have a grade because you just get that when you finished that, but everyone hates EPQ. It's not the best. I need to go and take my photos for my artefact actually. So yeah, that's my school update, but summary. I am pretty happy with 6th form at the moment. I think it's pretty chill. I am keeping up with all my work. Life is great. YouTube is great. I'm gonna be uploading and filming stuff, so I apologise for the lack of effort and lack of uploads, because like I said, I haven't uploaded in like 3 or 4 weeks, so sorry. But yeah, there will be content coming soon, especially with my new camera. Sorry, I keep looking at the viewfinder. It's really a problem, but I'm gonna get used to it. I don't even know what this video was. It was just a chatty update. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe because we're so close to 5k. That's really exciting. We're less than 500 away from 5k. So I'm very excited. So yeah, go subscribe if you're not already. Thanks so much for watching. If anyone has stayed to the end of this rambly update video, which I don't even know what it was. I'm rambling. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye guys.